Greetings to my people around the world. I am angry after watching the attack on P2B supporters during the rally in Lagos. It is time for the ESN to take a proactive measure and get your men to stand by to defend Igbo lives and property in Lagos. If Tinubu's boys want to attack Igbos in Lagos, we will give it to them. Don't allow the event of 1960 to repeat itself. If you need help, I can speak to my former classmate in Asia, America and Russia, because one of my classmates, his father works at the General Dynamic that manufactures the Tomahawk cruise missile, which costs $2 million. I can negotiate to get it cheaper for you guys. Enough is enough. During the Biafran War, we fought the world powers and engaged them for 3 years with nothing. Imagine what will happen in 2023 when we have ESN already. Don't give in to intimidation by this bunch of idiots. Vote your choice. P2B remains my candidate. This election is for a new Nigeria to retire all old politicians. Don't look for anybody's trouble, but prepare for action to defend and protect yourself and your family in Lagos in case these boys want to attack Igbos in Lagos. God bless Nnamdi Kanu. God bless ESN. Remain blessed wherever you are.